2 purses that was sent to me, and I can't wait to go ahead and do the review so I can switch over to the purse, because I didn't want to like do the review and then have to turn around and take all the stuff out to show you guys inside of the purse. So I'm really excited because they finally came, and these are going to be my new bags. Yes, I'm very excited. Yes. Guys, before we go ahead and get into the video, let's go ahead and get our housekeeping out of the way, okay? Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Turn that notification bell on, so when I post, you can get the latest and greatest on what's going on inside the nation, because we are Sheen Nation. I'm trying new little slogans. Yeah. I don't think I like that one. So yeah, so we probably won't be doing We Are Sheen Nation. But anyway, guys, back to the video. So I had a company reach out to me called Luckyfine, and they are like a novelty based company. So of course they have clothing for like women, but they really have like stuff for children and men. Really kind of like all-purpose stuff, like of course purses for women, some clothing. They have like toys for kids. They also have like a little bit of jewelry. They have things like if you sit down and work all day and you need like a back pillow for like lumbar support, they have that. They have the one that you can sit on to support your spine as well. They have like humidifiers and like aromatherapy humidifiers. They legit have all kind of stuff. They even, I seen something on there, and it was like you know how you have like a patio set and the umbrella? It was like the cover for the umbrella, if that makes sense. Like, and it was so easy, like put in, snap, zip, close, and be done. They have all like patio stuff. They legit have all kind of stuff on there. So it's like a novelty place all in one. Guys, of course, you know, as I'm going through, I will post all the information down below, guys, so that you guys can actually click on the links and shop. The discounts are located inside the links, guys, that I post below. So don't forget to shop those links, okay? I will also post my Instagram and Facebook information down below, if my Instagram information hasn't already populated, where you can follow me there. I am looking to do collaborations with fellow YouTubers on my channel, but I realize I kind of need to give a bit of a disclaimer. I would like to do a collaboration with somebody whose channel is kind of similar or like-minded to mine. Like if you're doing kind of try-on stuff or kind of X-rated stuff, not necessarily the flow that I want to go with, but I respect your hustle. It's just not my flow. My phone was going off. My bad, y'all. I need to put on silent. Okay. My bad. Okay, guys, but so really, I mean, that's it. Let's get into these purses. Let's go. Okay, y'all. Do y'all know, like, I recorded the whole thing and then like went to check my camera and realized it wasn't like recording the whole time. So I'm like hecka irritated. So we're gonna do it again. Okay, guys. So this is the first bag they sent me. It is like a camel kind of, it's like a camel colored one. It's like a faux leather. Somebody's calling me, I'll be right. Like a faux leather kind of bag. Leather. Girl, anyway. It is a very durable bag. It is a very strong bag. Guys, so it has, of course, the front zipper pockets right here. You can zip them down, and they're pretty, like, deep. Guys, also the bag opens up, so it has the buttons here on the side that you can kind of close it and like push it here and like, you know, clasp the buttons closed. It has the 3 compartments, guys. So it has the front compartment, the back compartment, and then like the center compartment that zips open right here. I don't know if y'all can see. I keep trying to, like, y'all can see. I don't know if y'all can see another side of this bag. And of course the back zipper. And then of course the, you know, the back zipper right here where it's a pocket. The good thing I like about this is that the straps are adjustable and that you can't, it does like move. I don't like when they don't move because then the bag is weird and all that. I don't like that. But the straps on the back, they are adjustable. And it even has a point where you can kind of hold it here if you want to. or you can hold it here. So you can just wear it like as a regular like purse. You can wear it like this, honey. Or you can wear it like this and just hold your bag. Just have it down by your side, girl. I mean, it's cute. I really like this because when I say I'm rough on purses and bags, honey, look and listen, the kid is rough. Okay, guys, so the next bag that they sent me is this cute little, like, I mean, I can adjust it. Let me see if I can adjust it. It's a cross the body bag. Going to run by Brad. He like, can I get by now? It's okay. But you just wear it like, you can either wear it like, I'm put my dress up, look like an egg. I just seen it, I realized I look like an egg. But you can wear it across the body. Of course, I wouldn't because I got more body than bag. Or you can just wear it like here on the side. And the good thing is that this is padded, so it'll pad you. It's a very thick, durable, actually, child pocket. I cannot talk tonight for some reason. Strap. That's what I'm trying to say, guys. Of course, as you've seen, it is adjustable. It is a black bag, guys. So it has like the Velcro pocket here. It even has the oh, this is cute. It has the opening here, and it's like a little fishnet. So you can like open the bag. I mean, open this pocket right here. You know, put little items in it. Has little things for your pens or whatever may have you, whatever y'all put in your purse. And then it has the front pocket right here, guys. So this is cute. This, you know what? When I be going to the casino, I love the casino. When I go to the casino, this is going to be my new casino bag. This is perfect. Yep. Ooh, it gets big on the inside. So this is the inside. Ain't that don't it get big? Look at that. That gets huge on the inside. I mean, not huge like that, but it get big. And then it has another front pocket, of course, guys. And this is like a nylon kind of material on the inside. Then it has like the back panel. Oh, cool. Where you can even put stuff back here. And of course, you know, the back pocket back here. Oh, this is what's up. Yeah, buddy, this gonna be my new bag. This gonna be my, oh, and this is padded in the back too. Yeah, this gonna be my new casino bag. I can see it now, cause it's easy if I take this strap down far enough. And then just, this is perfect. I'm sitting at the slot machine like. But oh, this is perfect. Yes, this is the perfect little casino bag. Yes, honey. This is and you know what? It's just perfect for like if you're running errands or whatever one day and you just want a bag to like go, and then it's not gonna put that stress on your shoulder like most purse straps do. Oh, this is a perfect little bag. And it's cute too. And it's like, the material is like, if you waste something on it, you can wipe it off. It's a cute little bag. Okay, guys, we have reached the end of the review. See, I told you it was going to be, I didn't say it, but it was quick and easy. Pew. Guys, it was just, hopefully you guys do like the two bags that they sent me. I really, really, really like the camel colored one that they sent me. I'm going to change that like tonight. That's going to happen tonight. That's going to be my new bag. I really like it. Guys, again, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Turn the notification bell on so that when I post, of course, you can know what's going on inside the nation, guys. My fellow YouTubers whose pages are similar to mine. Guys, if you definitely are looking to collab, don't hesitate to email me. I'll link all my contact information below, guys. If you are looking to purchase a bag and have it at a discounted rate, I will post the links down below so that you guys can purchase them as well. And until next time, Sheen Nation, bye. Okay, guys, so here's the final result when I glued my nails on. I did glue just one rhinestone to, that's the pinky, but I did glue one rhinestone to the base of my thumbnail. And unfortunately, I do apologize for not
showing y'all how to glue the nails on. The next video, I definitely will show you guys how to glue the nails on. But I realized in the midst of me like going to get my hair done, I didn't want to fly out the house without my nails on. So I just slapped them on my hands. But so that's the inside of them, guys.